Should pop-up drink stands pay suppliers early for discounts? Yes. Paying suppliers early is often a smart move because it can unlock cash discounts that save real money and build trust that leads to better deals down the road. Think of it like this. When a supplier gives you 30 days to pay but offers a discount if you pay in 10 days, that discount is basically free money for acting fast. Most pop-up drink stands do not realize that this kind of early payment discount is one of the cheapest ways to boost profit without selling a single extra cup. Suppliers love getting paid early because it helps their own cash flow, so they are often willing to negotiate even better terms than what is written on the invoice. A trick that a lot of people do not know is that you can sometimes ask for a bigger discount than what is offered if you pay in cash or pay before the supplier even asks. This is called building supplier leverage, and it can lead to priority treatment during busy seasons when supplies run low. Over time, this reputation as a fast payer can mean you get first pick on fresh ingredients or limited stock. One big thing to watch out for is your own cash flow. Paying early only makes sense if you are not draining money you need for rent, wages, or emergencies, so always check your bank balance before jumping on a discount. Another key point is to read the fine print, because some early payment discounts are so small that the savings do not outweigh the risk of running low on cash. A good tip is to only take early discounts on your most reliable, highest volume suppliers, since those relationships matter most for your long-term success. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.